have a 2008 Chevy Malibu. Concern was a no crank, no start. Then if you were to cycle the key off, let it sit for about approximately 20 minutes, come back, you would be able to crank the vehicle, but it still would not start. I came out here once before for the shop. They condemned the PCM bad, so I did the program for them and did the theft security learn, and it was still the same condition. So they went ahead and wanted to dig into it a little deeper. So they ended up replacing the fuse block. So it was still a no start after that. So they called me in, come do the diag, and we had a trouble code of P1682, which all it told us was ignition 1 switch, circuit 2. Come down to the troubleshooting steps. We looked on the scan tool and we did not see the feedback from the EC ignition relay. We had no battery plus, we had 0 volts. So we came to the PCM, we back probed our circuit here, which is this pink and black wire, with the scope. And I already took it off, but with the scope we had 12 volts. So we knew our circuit integrity was good coming back. I even loaded the circuit here just to make sure that it was good, and it was in fact good. So while I was there, I was looking at it and I could see that, you can see here, this connector doesn't really sit so flush down there between here and the actual PCM itself. And this one you can see is bowed out some. What I did is I obviously keyed the vehicle off, took these connections off, pressed them down in further. I don't think this is either the correct PCM, but these connectors don't sit quite flush, or it could be this harness. Harness is not in the best shape, as you can see. But obviously people been in here playing around. I don't know that, or they may have replaced it with a used harness. I have no clue. But we reseated these connectors vehicle.